Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? There was something really cool exciting to show you, and that is my favorite thing to do, unboxing. But we're not doing Louis Vuitton unboxing today. We are doing my favorite shoe brand. Can you guess what shoes brand I love the most besides Louis Vuitton? And that is the Guido Maggi shoes. And I ordered this huge box here, and let's open this up and let me show you what is in here. Yay! For those of you who've been watching my video for a while, you know that I love Louis Vuitton shoes, and I mean it's just such a good shoes. It fits really well, make you look amazing. You walk and feel really great. You get tension to wearing the Louis Vuitton shoes. But I think about 2 years ago, I discovered this brand called Guido Maggi, and it's the Italian handmade shoes in Milan. And the whole purpose of the brand Guido Maggi is elevation shoes. That means when you wear that shoes, you will be 2 to 3 inches taller. Who does not want to be taller? Especially you are 5'8" and under. So I'm standing about 5'8" right now, and let's just say it out loud. I'm 5'8" and I'm a little overweight. I'm about 165 pounds right now, so it's overweight. But when I wear the shoes, I look better. It's so amazing. So I ordered 2 more shoes recently, and they're in this packaging. And I have to tell you this, a lot of time when you ordering stuff online, they come in the box and then you get damaged, it get wet. And I really love this packaging because it's not a fancy box, but they completely seal. So this way, if it doesn't matter where they ship to, if it's a wet weather, raining day or flood day, whatever this weather issues, it's completely sealed. The water will not get in there, and that's why I really like it. And I kind of opened this already, so I want to show what I did. Okay, when you open it, there's a bubble what do you guys call this? The bubble wrap kind of paper, but it's a very thick water resistant material. And look at this box. Let me show you guys. This is, oh my gosh, look at this. How amazing is this box? And you guys know that I'm just crazy about packaging. This is beautiful. So this is the first one, and let me just another shoes in here. So I ordered 2 shoes. Look at this quality of the box. So we're gonna open the shoes here and show you what I ordered this time, okay? As you guys may know that the summer is coming very soon, and in some country like Asia is so hot right now. So a lot of my shoes are very fancy. It's a very dressy wear, or it's a very compact wear. So it's too hot and too hard to wear them. So I want something to slip on. I want a sneaker style. As you know that fashion is all about effortless beauty, right? And sneaker, the black and white base is totally in right now. So I called the Guido Maggi people and said, hey, do you guys have anything like that? And they showed me a couple pair before they even launch. It's really amazing. So I ordered 2 pair here, and let me just show you how amazing is this. Are you ready? Oh, by the way, if you guys are watching my video right now, you probably saw this couple weeks earlier because I did the Instagram live over there. So sometimes I will look at people there and say hi, and look at people say hi. So don't you know, get worried about what I'm doing. Okay, so it comes in really nice tissue paper, and the paper is folded very nicely. That's more tissue paper. Oh, by the way, the box base is red. I love it. Oh my gosh. Just look at these shoes. Look at this. Is that amazing? See that? And it is super lightweight. A lot of Guido Maggi shoes, I have to tell you, it is a little heavier, and that's just the downside, I think, because the way built, the structure of the shoes, it is heavy, especially when I take 2 to 3 pair when I travel. That's half my luggage weight basically. But this one is so light. So this is a 2 different type of material. So the base, the end here, I don't know, can you see it? It's a velvet. Okay, and a genuine leather in here, and then a rubber base right here. So what's amazing about Guido Maggi shoes, I mean, this is not paid, just so you know that, okay? it's the way that it does not look like elevation shoes. It looks like regular shoes. So, well, I think that what's really tacky, it's especially for men, when you pass certain age, you're not gonna wear platform. I mean, that's so tacky. When you're younger, that's totally cute. I have a platform shoes. But when you pass 44, gonna be 45, I just cannot be catching wearing platform at work. I don't know, I may get fired for that. So this, nobody will know. Well, now you're gonna know, but technically nobody will know I'm wearing elevation shoes. Look at this, it's beautiful shoes. Let me show you guys inside. Oh my god. And I like the rubber bases because when you're wearing this type of shoes, it gets dirty obviously very easily. So this should be easy to rinse off of water. So I definitely can't wait to try this. So let me show you the other. There's two, I was gonna say two pairs. There's two shoes in here. And later on, I will definitely post some picture of me wearing the shoes. Okay, let me show you the next shoes I got. So you guys must be asking me how much is Guido Maggi shoes. Their price range is between, I could be around like a 350 to 550 euro. I want to be honest with you, when I first ordered Guido Maggi shoes, I think it was a year and a half ago, I was thinking, okay, well, that's how much I pay for my Louis Vuitton shoes, and that is a Louis Vuitton, and this is the brand I never really heard before. Should I spend that much money? And I said, you know what, let's just try it because I saw the Instagram, the model is super cute, they look tall and slim, and I tried one pair. Oh my god, let me tell you this, it's well worth the money. I mean, are they all perfect? No, I mean, I got one pair, I was really not careful, but overall speaking, I truly like their shoes, and I think maybe I film a video. Let me know if you want to see me to film a Guido Maggi shoes collections versus Louis Vuitton shoes collection. That's a good idea, right? Okay, so so definitely it's worth it, I think. Ta-da! This is the second pair now. Again, you know, all my Guido Maggi, I don't have a lot. I think right now I have 5 pairs. I mean, obviously I don't have a lot of money to buy 20 pair, but 5 is actually a lot. And they mostly are dressy shoes or comeback shoes. So I want something more casual wear. So watch this. Can you guys see this? At first, I was kind of like, I don't know if I like it or not, because it's just not something that I will wear. The style, I mean, not the style, the texture, the fabric. But more I look at it, more I like it. The reason why it's so unique, and I mean, you would think, you know, I think that everything that we wear should be a conversation piece, meaning that you never want people just not overlook what you have on. I mean, come on, in deep down our heart, we want people to say, oh, your shoes looks amazing, you look great, right? I mean, so what's really cool about these shoes, I found that besides I'm taller, you see this little hole punches right here? So at first, you're gonna think, is something wrong with this? Because I think usually shoes, they have another layer outside to make more structure, but this is just kind of like a hole punch. But I feel like, you know, I mean, obviously it's a ventilation inside the shoes, but it's just so awesome. And also it's 2 different type of material. This is some type of techno fabric. Let me show you guys that. Kind of grayish silver, like the Mercedes-Benz. And then the back patch here, it's a letter with a GM, Guido Maggi. I think we should tell Guido Maggi that maybe they should customize initial. Can you imagine that? Customize initial shoes. So I can totally see they put Mr. Jen right here. Maybe they can do that, I don't know. But anyway, so this is another pair I got. So let me show you both pair. Let me show you guys this. Ah, I can hold this. So, see? Leah exactly the same height, and this is basically will raise me up to 2.5 inches taller. So I'm 5'8", so it should be close to 5'11". The air up there, it's much more better. Let me tell you that. So this is my 2 pair of my Guido Maggi shoes. Again, they both are very, very light, not very heavy. So I'm really looking forward to pack this. That's it. I just want to show you the 2 pair of Guidomaggi shoes I purchased. I really hope that you enjoyed this episode, Mr. Journey all in one. Show you my favorite shoe brand, Guidomaggi, made me look taller and look a little bit better. And I want to say thank you so much for all your support of my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe and share all my YouTube and my social media right over here. And that's it. So I want to say thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!